Welcome back everyone. In the previous video, we learned how to define a clear program goal before coding. Now, in this video, I'll show you one of the most important skills in programming: breaking a big problem into small parts. If you understand this step, coding becomes very easy. Many beginners feel programming is hard, not because coding is difficult, but because they try to solve everything at once. Good programmers never do that. They take a big problem and break it into small, simple steps. Just like eating food, you don't swallow everything at once, right? Let's take a simple real-life example. Problem: make a cup of tea. If I say, make tea, that's a big task, but if we break it into small steps: boil water, add tea leaves, add sugar, add milk, boil for 2 minutes, pour into cup. Now it looks very easy. Programming works the same way. Let's take a simple programming problem. Problem: find the sum of two numbers. Instead of jumping into code, break it down. Take first number from user. Take second number from user. Add both numbers. Display the result. That's it. When the steps are clear, writing code becomes automatic. Before coding, always do this. Take a notebook. Write the problem at the top. Write steps using simple English. Don't worry about programming language. Just focus on logic. This habit will save you hours of debugging. Big mistake beginners make: start coding immediately. No planning, no steps. Result: errors, confusion, and frustration. So remember, plan first, code later. In the next video, we will convert these steps into something programmers use every day. Pseudocode. That's where programming really starts. So don't miss it. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I will plan before coding. See you in the next video.